welcome to Eric Blackmon Music.
I'm going to start off with a little song called Smelly Cat. Smelly cat, smelly cat, what an ugly you. Everybody! Smelly cat, it's not your fault.
Hi, and welcome to my tutorial on how to play Smelly Cat from the Friends TV show. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E, and we need to know 3 chords. An E major chord, which is formed by placing a finger on the G string 1st fret, a finger on the A string 2nd fret, and the D string 2nd fret, strumming all the strings. An A chord, played this way. We're holding down the D, G, and B string at fret 2, and the D chord, played this way. We're holding down the high E string at fret 2, the B string at fret 3, and the G string at fret 2. Here's how we'll play it. We'll go to the E chord and strum it twice. The A chord, strumming it twice, the D chord once, the A chord once, and back to the E chord twice. Smelly cat, what are they feeding you? Smelly cat, it's not your fault. That's all we have to do. And believe it or not, that's all we've got to play in order to play Smelly Cat from the Friends TV show. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.